We always tell people 7 to 8 minutes at 400 degrees for medium rare. Anything longer than that, you're going to start dropping down into medium well, or what we like to call butchered. What can we look for, right? So as you can see, if I press on this, you'll see the meat will barely spring back. Watch when I release my finger. See how the meat barely springs back at me? And that's just telling me it's because it's raw still on the inside. We're gonna do that exact same process when we pull it out. This is a thin one. They're usually a little bit bigger, a little bit taller. So this one, we're probably gonna only go about 6.5, 7 minutes. But we're gonna do that exact same test. And you're gonna see when I push and release, the meat's gonna spring right back up. And those are telltale signs that you've hit that point. You can always simply just use a meat thermometer, something just like this where you can stick in and control. But what I always like to tell people is, as you're doing that, make sure and test it with your fingers so you can kind of align those two, right? If you start to know and feel what 125 looks like, you're gonna get better until you don't need this anymore. We'll go into the oven.